Identical profits. Rates spike. Two companies react completely differently. Zero business change. One pays cash this year. The other's payoff sits years away. Here's why that matters. A share isn't cash sitting in your hand today. It's a promise, a claim on cash, that a company plans to hand you bit by bit, over years, maybe decades, before you ever see a dime of it. That's the whole trick. That shrinking has a name: the discount rate, which is just the return you could earn, putting your money somewhere else while you wait, and every dollar due down the road gets marked down because of it.